Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the swordfish in Heartopia. So you'll need to be level 10 of the insect catching hobby, and it will spawn around the Whale Sea area. It spawns during the daytime or dawn and only spawns when the weather is rainbow. I did use the mermaid attractor, but you can opt out to like not use it, I guess. But I feel like it is a little bit easier to use it. Also, the shadow for it is the large like shadow. And yeah, this is where I caught it. It's super easy for me. I got it like on the first like try of the mermaid attractor, I think. But yeah, this is what the fish looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!